Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. So today I made some salmon bites with some salad and this was so delicious. Now before I jump into the recipe, I'm going to share with you the amazing health benefits of salmon in our bodies and how you can prepare it for a delicious and healthy meal. Salmon is highly nutritious fish packed with all the nutrients. It is excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids which helps in maintaining a healthy heart and brain. These fatty acids helps to reduce health diseases. It also contains high levels of proteins which helps for muscle growth and repair as well as maintaining a healthy weight. So if you are willing to lose some weight, add salmon in your diet. Salmon is also a great source of vitamin B, like B12, which is important for health and immune system. These are the reasons I really like salmon in my diet. So, if you love salmon, this video is for you. Now, let's get into the recipe. So I had to peel off the skin of the salmon and then wash my salmon and then pat dry it using the paper towel just to take off all the excess water. Now from there I had to cut all the salmon into smaller pieces. There are so many ways of making the salmon, but in this case I air fried my salmon bites. But it's either you can bake it in an oven, you can air fry it, or you can fry it on a pan. Now after cutting my salmon, I put in a large bowl and then sprinkle some olive oil. I mix it well, and after mixing it I added some spices. Now for the spices I had some fish spice and then some sweet paprika, some black pepper and turmeric. So I mix it all onto my salmon bites, and then the last thing I added was a pinch of salt. So I mix it very well so that all the salmon bites are coated with the spice and salt. Now from there, I open my air fryer, put my salmon bites, and then I had to set the air fryer on salmon. So when I keep going until I find the salmon, and it was set for 7 minutes. Now it was time to make the salmon sauce. So I had the sweet chili sauce, I had mustard, and then the soy sauce. I had to combine this very well so that everything is well mixed. Now the salmon was ready, and then I had to put it aside and then added all the salmon sauce which I mixed. Now from there I had to put it back in the air fryer and air fry it once more for 7 minutes. And here we go. Now the salmon was ready to serve. Look at that. Look the way it looks. Very yummy and delicious. Now I put my salmon aside and it was time to make some salad. So I had to cut some red bell pepper and then some cucumber and some cherry tomatoes. If you like salad, try this recipe, you won't regret. And this salad was so amazing, I'm telling you. There was a time I used not to eat salad, but I realized that I was missing out. These days I can't do without salad. Now let's talk about the health benefits of salad. Salad contains vitamins, iron, calcium, which helps to maintain strong bones and muscles. Salad is also a great source of fiber, which helps in digestion. And it is also high in water content, which helps us hydrated. Now, there are some people who doesn't like to drink a lot of water, but if you eat some salad, you are good to go. As I said earlier, that the salad contains a lot of water, which will always keep you hydrated. So it's really important to be eating some salad. Now I combine all my salad, my cucumbers, my red pepper, and my cherry tomatoes. I mix it well, and then it was time for me to make the salad dressing. Before I make the salad dressing, I had to cut the baby onions. I also put some baby onions there just for the flavor of the salad. Now for the salad dressing, I had to use the same oil and then some honey and some orange juice. Now for the measurements, check out in the description box below. Now I mix my salad dressing very well, and then I added some sesame seeds, mix it again, and then sprinkle on top of my salad, and it was almost ready to serve, so I had to mix it very well, and the salad was ready. So from there I had to dish my salad and the salmon bites, and from there I sprinkle some sesame seeds, and my salmon bites and salad was ready. Look the way it looks, very yummy. Now I couldn't wait to take a bite. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please turn on the notification bells for any other new recipes. Bye for now.